Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. This is a very non-conventional vlog. So let's talk about money. So how do you make money online? So probably most of you, this is the most searchable topic everywhere. Even myself, I keep on looking at what ways to make money online, and so I did my search. This is in no particular order. This is in random order. Okay, so these are just my opinions on how I think I make money online. Okay, I'm not sure if it really applies to me. Some of these, let's just talk about five for now, because that's what I see people have money doing these things online. Okay, there's no particular order. Okay, so I'm not saying this one is the number one, all right, because I don't really know revenue wise what are the companies balance sheet and everything. So I don't know, so don't quote me on that. This is just my opinion. This is what I see, and based some of this is based also with my experience. This is not really number one. Okay, this is just 1 to 5. Okay, so my first one is because I make money here. That will be, of course, YouTube. Why? Because I monetized my channel. This channel was monetized, but right now there's some issues going on with this channel, so I'll try to maybe switch. I hope it will work with this channel, because product reviews and hauls, I did really have my views are really up, but for some reason, I don't know, there's some issues going on. Just take that aside. So that's my number one, because I myself did make money here in YouTube. Not that much, because I'm just a small YouTuber. So but you can make money as long as you are consistent in your topic or your content, then you can make money. Okay, and also it requires a lot of time, because you have to do editing. It doesn't have to be professional looking, as long as you have good quality posts that people can at least get something or have an idea. Okay, my number two, it's not really number two, Facebook. So in Facebook there is ads on Reel, stars, in-stream ads, live ads, and brand, what is that? Brand, oh my god, I don't know, because it relates to you are working with a brand or something like that, right? So there are 5 there that you can make money. And I myself in Facebook have stars, both my profile and my page. And in-stream ads, I'm still working on it, so I cannot say anything about it. But on my stars, I did make a mini kill of money. So but if you're consistent and you really have a lot of time, if you're a single mom, stay at home mom, this is one good for you. So yeah, Facebook. Okay, and especially if you are really know what you're doing and you really have a good niche, you can make money on Facebook a lot. Okay, number 3, Instagram. I try to monetize my Instagram, but I don't really know what's the requirements on Instagram. So but you can make money on Instagram through sponsorship, affiliates, and yeah, and also they have a requirement for that they can put ads on your account. Okay, so Instagram, but I am not I don't have an account or monetized account in Instagram. Number 4, TikTok. Yes, a lot of people are using TikToks. They're popular, and there is also affiliate links there in TikTok that you can make money too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Viva, are you a TikTok lover? I like it, but I just don't have any account. Okay, so it's too personal for me, and I don't have that much time to browse around. There's so many social media already that I cannot even make time of it. I have YouTube, I have to watch other people, and then Facebook, right? And then Instagram, and then here's TikToks. It's too much for me. Well, if you're a busy mom like me, so I have lesser time. So but leisurely, if you do it, and if you can make money through TikTok, why not, right? Give it a try. Okay, and lastly, website, you guys. There's website like WordPress, Blogger, and others, like your personal site that you can buy a domain and you write anything or something like services that you can provide. Yes, you can monetize that through AdSense. And there are also other platforms that I am not aware of right now, so but maybe in the future I will do my research and more like knowledgeable or somewhat. I know this is just informal, you guys. This is just based on my opinion, okay, as you know, as a work from home, mostly at home. That's what I said. Ay nako, it's so hot right now. Today's temperature right now, guys, here is the most. That's why I'm sweaty right now, and I'm also wearing black. It adds up the heat. Anyway, yes, so my last one is website. Yes, particularly for me, I make money on vlogger.com. Okay, so before, even back then, if you have the skills of writing or just, you know, having a diary, you know, for me before, Blogger was just a diary for me, and then I didn't know that you can monetize it, and then I applied for like I don't know, like advertiser sites where you can join and then register your website, and then these advertisers will approach to you or email you that they want you to write. And I did have few clients before, and so right now I'm getting back again towards writing, and I hope I can get or like gain clients in the future. So that's what I'm working on. So it's better you have other sources of income, not just one particular income, but you have to diversify, right? Your you say portfolio. Portfolio, meron but portfolio is social media. It's all about social media. It's not portfolio, but in a different line or different manner, right? Again, let's wrap up this vlog for today, how I make money online, or how to make money online. So there are 5: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and website. So that's my 5 of ways of making money online. I hope you get something out from this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, please support, and I will see you in my next video.